think more guns means more safety. The data says otherwise. But let's talk about why the law still exists. Let's unpack the permit maze you want to carry. Fill out form number 472, background check, fingerprint scan, over 30,000 pages of federal guidelines. Now you're paying for a license that costs more than your car insurance. This isn't red tape. It's incentive structure optimization. We're filtering for compliance friction, not just intent. The system rewards patience. It punishes impulse. But patience doesn't scale across state lines. Enter reciprocity agreements. Basically states shaking hands like your paper's fine. But here's the bottleneck: enforcement latency. A permit from state doesn't magically update police databases in real time. Legacy systems lag, handshakes break, so we add legislative friction, wait periods, mental health screenings, training mandates. It's not about keeping you armed. It's about making sure you don't treat a firearm like a fidget spinner. Chaos isn't a feature, it's a bug. Crime stats correlation. Since 1992, researchers have tracked this. Restrictive permitting correlates with lower violent crime. The data doesn't lie. It just files paperwork. But correlation isn't causation. What about demographic velocity? Crowded spaces become unpredictable. Systems crash. Unrestricted carry creates too many variables, and variables break infrastructure. We patch it with policy. You call it tyranny. I call it version 2.0 of public safety optimization, the opposing view. A skill issue wrapped in a constitutional fantasy. Weak design choices don't scale. We engineer for edge cases, we stress test compliance. Because real safety isn't a vibe, it's a protocol, so yeah. The permit process is slow. It's annoying. It's designed to be. Because chaos isn't a feature. It's a bug, and we patch it with policy. Drop your take below. Are we optimizing safety or just making paperwork? I'll read the comments. Even the ones that sound like they were written by a guy named Chad who watches too many documentaries. Subscribe for more systemic breakdowns.